that the jury has now seen multiple emotional outbursts from this defendant, and they've only heard a little bit. We don't know how much further they're going to go in terms of his testimony, whether they halt everything, and maybe even he agrees to halt everything. But based on what we've seen so far from him, do you think there's a chance that the jury thinks that this was manslaughter versus murder?
I'm not sure at this point because we've heard so little from him because he had this breakdown. I think that they're probably being sympathetic at this point because we do have the smaller framed defendant who looks young and who is visibly upset and came from this really bad childhood situation. So I'm not sure. And it's got to be a balance for this judge because the defendant has a right to testify. And obviously he's testifying, as you stated before, about heavy things that could conjure emotion, but we can't have the jury being prejudiced or it being disruptive in nature. So it is a balancing act.